Hello again, second graders. This is Mrs. Sickle. I'm going to be your teacher today for this math lesson. We're going to be working on a story problem. So what you will need is your computer and go to mathplayground.com. You can also grab a pencil and paper if you'd like. Also remember to hit the pause button whenever you need to stop. When you get to mathplayground.com, go ahead and scroll down until you come to thinking blocks. So click on thinking blocks. We're going to scroll down until you get to thinking blocks tool. So it's going to bring you to a screen that gives you a workspace. Okay, so here is the story problem that we are going to work on today. So you don't need anything in your hands. I just want you to think about the story problem. Lisa had 94 donuts to pass out to her class. Must have been her birthday. She passed out one donut to each person and had 52 donuts left. How many donuts did she pass out? So let's think about that story. Who are the characters in that story? Lisa. Do you know where she's at? What is the setting? Well, it says her class, so it must be at school. And what's going on? She's got some donuts and she's passing them out and she has some left. So in the beginning of the story, she has some donuts. In the middle of the story, she passes some out. And at the end of the story, she has some left. So let's read it again. Lisa had 94 donuts to pass out to her class. She passed out one donut to each person and had 52 donuts left. How many donuts did she pass out? So let's think about some values in that story. I see the number 94. I see the value of 52. There's one person, Lisa, and one class. So Lisa had 94 donuts to pass out to her class. She passed out one donut to each person and had 52 donuts left. How many donuts did she pass out? So what are we trying to find out? We're trying to find out how many donuts she had left. So we're going to put that up here because that's what we're trying to find out. Or she passed out how many donuts? Lisa passed out blank donuts. That's what we're trying to find out. So let's think. Do we know the total amount? Do we know how many she passed out? Do we know how many is left? To me, that is a part total, and we're missing one of the parts. So I'm going to bring up a bar to represent our total number of donuts. What's our total number of donuts? It's 94 donuts. Do we know how many she passed out? No, we do not know how many she passed out. Do we know how many she has left? Yes, we do. We know that she has 52 donuts left. So how can we write a number sentence to match this story problem? if you're thinking 94 minus something equals 52, that's what I was thinking. But maybe you were thinking, well, she had 52 donuts left, and count how many she passed out, and we would have all the donuts left. This one can be used, but it doesn't really match our story because we can't get any of those donuts left. Nobody wants to give their donuts back. So this one, you can think of it this way, but this one here definitely matches our story. So how are we going to figure this out? How would you like to solve this? Well, maybe we can draw a picture. I can draw 94 donuts, and I'm going to use my 10 sticks. So I'm going to draw 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 4 donuts. Remember, boys and girls, you can be drawing this on your paper now as well, because I would like for you to figure out if we had 94 donuts and she passed out 52, what are you going to do to figure out how many she passed out? What could you show on your picture? You could cross out all of the donuts until you have 52 donuts left. Or you can show your 52 donuts that are left. So these are my donuts that are left. What are all of these that are not inside of that shape? Yeah, those are the donuts that she passed out. How many donuts did she pass out? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So does 94 minus 42 make sense? Well, if I count my 42 and my 52, will I have 94? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. So 94 minus 42 is 52. So how many donuts did Lisa pass out? Lisa passed out 42 donuts. Okay, so come down to the bottom and erase your work. And we're going to try another story problem. I'm going to give you this story problem to try on your own. Jay had 100 toy cars. He wanted to share with his friends. He passed some out to his friends, and now he has 71 cars left. How many cars did he pass out to his friends? So think about the story. Who's in the story? Where are they at? What are they doing? What happens in the beginning of the story? What happens in the middle? What happens at the end? Jay had 100 toy cars he wanted to share with his friends. He passed some out to his friends, and now he has 71 cars left. How many cars did he pass out to his friends? So think about the values. There's some friends. We don't know how many. There's a boy named Jay. There's 100 toy cars. There's 71 cars left. Jay had 100 toy cars he wanted to share with his friends. He passed some out to his friends, and now he has 71 cars left. How many cars did he pass out to his friends? What are we trying to find out? We know that we have a total number. We know we did something with that number, and then we have some left. So think about how to use your tools at the bottom of Math Playground here to show. Remember, you've got labels to answer your question. You've got bar models to pull up. You've got a pencil to write with and to draw your picture. Have fun solving this problem. And I'm going to show you another place where you can go to solve even more word problems. So if you go to gregtangmath.com, and if you go to resources, down here you'll see where it says word problems. So you can click on word problems right there. And you can click add and subtract. Second graders, we're working on adding and subtracting. There's all different kinds that we can work on. You could pick a random one if you want, but what we just did was a part whole. And we did not know one of the add-ins. And you might pick numbers between 1 and 100. I would not go over 1 to 100, second graders. And then you're going to click the word generate. Shane has 33 ribbons. 21 are long and the rest are short. How many ribbons are short? Don't like that one? Click generate again. Okay? So second graders, have fun solving these word problems. You can also find more word problems here by clicking use thinking blocks. Have a great time solving word problems. Bye.